know it's been a long time. It's Tia too. We're on our way to Moody Gardens. Ah! I'm so excited. I've been there one time before, but it was like a year and a half ago, and we didn't do all the stuff there. We just went to see the lights and stuff because it was like around, you know, Christmas and stuff. So yeah, we're going. It's in Galveston, and see you in the next shot. Hey y'all, we just stopped by Panera Bread to get something to eat. Okay, so we got here too late to get the whole bundle. Just bear with me because this is a lot. Okay, but so we got the Rainforest and the what's it called, aquarium bundle, and so we're about to go into the Rainforest section right now. Tia said his face kind of looks cute. It kind of does look peaceful. Hello there. Oh, you can't really see it. Hold on. There you go. You're looking right at us. They're really playing fine. Yeah, they are. They're so cute. Are they going under the boat? Wow. Oh my goodness. I've never seen an otter run. So we just stepped out to the rainforest. Like the real rainforest part. And it's so hot out here. It's so hot out here, right, Tim? I can hardly breathe. Yeah. I mean, I can breathe, but it's hot. It's like taking my breath away. It's a real bird just standing there, and it's so adorable. Me neither. Look at the green legs. Hey y'all, maybe y'all can help me out a little bit. These I'm not supposed to touch. This is my favorite plant right here, and I don't know what the name of it is. So if y'all know the name of that plant, please write it in the comments. Thank you. It's like a old grandpa with the attitude, the face expression of that first frog. The one on the bottom or top? The one on the bottom. Look at his lip poking out. Okay, so I have a story about these things. When I was in Thailand, like 2 years ago, I went out to the park and I saw they were everywhere, and it was wild. Yeah. Alright. I've never seen a bird with this type of color. It's like purple and blue. Yeah, and it's like kind of dull. Yeah. They're so pretty. I've seen so many pretty birds today. Oh, that one's kind of cute too. With this little scrawny neck. Aww. Oh, it just pooped. The penguins keep jumping in the water and like swimming super fast. Look how fast this one's going. Yeah. Look at one. Okay, so me and Tia, we're at the aquarium right now. And check this out, y'all. Like, the sand is just bubbling. There goes fish.
It's a quicksand under the sea.
Yeah. Looks like it. Don't go, Dory. Don't go. They went. Where's Nemo? Hey y'all, so we're back home from the little trip that we did to Moody Gardens. It was fun. We had fun. We laughed. We went to a restaurant. I should have took a picture of the food. The food was really good. It's Gino's. So it was. We went there. Good service. Good food. So I recommend it. So yeah, Gino's in Galveston. Hey guys, it's the same day, and me and T, we just got to Chinatown. We're about to eat a dessert that's really good that we had once before, like last week or something. So check it out. Chinatown. So this is the mango shaved ice that we got. This place is called Juice Box for anybody who wants to go. Who's in Houston, Texas. Yeah. All right, I'm about to dig in. Okay, so Tia's been talking about how she want to eat a real meal all day. And so we just came from, I mean, she just hasn't gotten the meal. Like, we went to a restaurant, I ate, I got, what's it called? It's basically like a seafood Alfredo. But it turned out to be really good. And I was telling her, like, the reviews all say it was really good. It had a 4-star. You know, I looked at the pictures look good. So, and the food turned out to be good. I should make a review, like, anyway. Y'all, it's after 8 o'clock. I think it's closer to 9 o'clock now. And this place, this whole like shopping center is so packed. Like, look at all these. I do like Alright y'all, so we're back in from Chinatown. Tia got something to eat to go, so she's gonna eat it here. But anyway, it was nice. It was nice vlogging today. I had a good time, and I'll catch y'all later.